What's going on, YouTube? I had ordered the Vulcan QuickDraw. I'm gonna just install that right now. And I ordered it for my Springfield XDS 9. And I believe the same company that makes Phantom QuickDraw, I believe they're the same company that makes both of these. They're gonna switch the name or something. Here it is. And when I ordered it, I thought it was some type of metal, but it's plastic. But it seems sturdy. It has a notch there, right there, for your front sight on your pistol. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. Pretty good magnet. Trying to figure out where to put it at. I'm thinking. Let's see. Don't mind my truck, it's a little dirty. Sit it somewhere like that. Basically, it comes with these screws, and you just screw it in there. I'm not sure how that's gonna hold up with. You're supposed to be able to load it on here too, so. I'm not sure how well those screws are gonna hold up, but we'll see. Let me get this installed. So I got it installed there. I'll go ahead and set my pistol. And it sets just like that. I'm going to show y'all how it works or whatnot. I don't know if you've seen that. You just pull down. A little side view for you. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys are interested, I believe they have a Facebook page and Instagram, which is right there. You guys can go there, and I'm sure you can figure out how to place your order. You can also go to vulcanarms.com. Thanks for watching.